Let's open the latest 5800 software, Colorado LOS, which is the one with 5 consecutive letters. We double click to open it. All right, now this is the Chinese version, Here we have new. So let's click on new. And in this type selection, choose the model we want to edit. The machine model is 5800. So we select 5800. Click OK. All right. Now what? Now in this text box, we can edit within this text box. Of course, right now, if we have dual headset, we have two headsets, need to program different information for each head separately. So for the letter image, we should select two. Okay. Now for two, another one has been added. Here we right click its properties. Right click properties. Here there's a printhead assignment, clears throat. Okay, for printhead 1, we assign it to image area 1. All right, printhead 1 corresponds to area 1. Confirm. Now let's click on printhead assignment 2 and assign printhead 2 to area 2. Confirm. In other words, this time image area 1 and the image area 2 image 1 is assigned to 1 and the image 2 is assigned to 2. All right, confirm. At this point, we can start editing it. Here we have text and also date and time. Since this software is currently free, it's a free trial, we can only edit text and date, meaning only English letters and numbers. QR codes and barcodes can't be edited. Those require payment. You have to purchase those features. All right, now we are currently on a company 1. Let me go ahead and click right here. Here we can actually edit. And you have the ability to modify the content within the memory, such as CD. Here we can choose the font. If you want a specific font, you can select it here. You can also choose the size here, like 36 or 24. I chose 24 or 36 point size. 36 is pretty good. You can also choose bold, italic, underline, and so on. All of these options are available here. All right, let's click OK. Now we've created the first message. For the first item in company 1, let's add another one. We can click this again and then click the P symbol. Let's also set the size to 36 for this one, confirm. And that's the second line. We can continue to carefully edit and refine the third line of text as well. From 1 to 5T. Something like this. 36 is good. Then we think we can edit on company 2. Let's share a date, either a date or time. I think 10 seconds is enough. All right, we can also easily add another text element, perhaps a new one. computer shutting down sound. Once we've finished editing this particular message, if we then want to delete a message, we can simply select it and then press the delete key on the keyboard. After we've finished editing this, we need to save it. This is a double-headed machine. So after editing on the double-headed machine, we need to save. Click here, there is a save button here. Let's save this as table 1. Click confirm, and this will change to 1-to-1. Good. After saving, we insert the USB drive into our main unit. Plug the USB drive in OK. The USB drive is now connected to our computer. The computer.
The text on the computer.
Continue. Alright, now we just click on File here. After saving, we click Download file. We select the 580 machine we created, then select the 1-to-1 we just created, 1-to-1 the 1. So if we do not have this particular file name, please proceed to click Send. Then carefully select this specific drive and subsequently click Confirm. Now, at this very moment, we can thoroughly check all the important information we have successfully saved within our USB drive. It's all right here, conveniently located in our USB drive. Let's plug in another port. We will now insert the USB drive into this available USB port, into the designated port. Okay. After successfully plugging it in, you will clearly see this file copy option appear on the screen. The second option presented is specifically designed to copy important information from the connected USB device. Please select this option and then confirm your choice to proceed. Wait a moment, then confirm. We go back and select the result. This 1-to-1 has been edited. So let's print it. Confirm. All right. This is the piece of information we created, and it has now been imported into our machine. All right. This is the dual hand machine. This is how to create and import information for the 5800 dual hand machine.